Hey everyone, welcome back to Joe Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce or remove the background noise in your audios. So if you're a content creator and you record your videos or audios, or for whatever reason that you need to record yourself and you have the background noise, it could be wind in the background or people speaking or even the sound of your fridge mumbling in the background, I'm going to show you how to remove that noise. Now guys, whether it's a video or just a simple audio, I know having these kind of sounds in the background don't really come off as professional. And while some people may understand, others might think that you have a very crappy recording or a very crappy mic. And as you know, some people can be very judgmental, right? So that's why I'm going to show you how to reduce or to remove that. Now guys, the tool that I use is Audacity. And in the description of this video, I'll be sharing the link to where you can directly download this tool if you so desire and want to use it. So guys, I'm going to simply drag an audio that I have on my computer here. And it's going to load here. And this guys, this audio has no editing whatsoever. All background noise, etc. is within the audio. And you might not be able to hear it right now. But if I go ahead and play this specific space right here, let me see if I can let you hear it. Let me go ahead and turn up my volume. You might be able to hear this muffling sound, and if you're not able to hear it, you can have a look at this sound wave right here and you can see that it's just muffling, and there's no speaking, guys. There's no speaking, and this is just the background sound of the room, my mouse clicking and all these different things, but there's no speaking. No, in order to remove this background noise, this little area here is a perfect place to get a sample. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, all I need to do, let me go ahead and stop that. And because right here I have a space, in your video, in your recording, you might not have a whole lot of space like myself, but I'm sure that you can find other space within your recording. And in order to do that, you want to hold on Control and just simply scroll within your audio. And once you do that, you can find some space in between to just grab a small sample. And that's all that you will need in order to do that. But let me go ahead and reduce back the spacing so that I can choose a much better sample. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply use my mouse to just highlight the space here. And that's what you want to do. You want to find a space and you want to drag over it and highlight it. And once you do that, just simply go ahead and click Effect. Then you want to come here where it says Noise Removal and Repair. You want to go ahead and you want to click Noise Reduction. Now here, you want to ensure that you have these following settings. Noise Reduction, you want to set that to 12. Sensitivity, you want to have it set to 12.50. And the frequency smoothing, you want to have that set to 7. So you want to make sure that you have these set. Now the next thing that you want to do now, guys, is just simply go ahead and click Get Noise Profile. And what this does is just simply get the sample of this little small section here that I have highlighted. Now what I need to do now, because I now have the noise profile, I'm going to highlight the entire audio by select here, and then I will come back here to Effect again, and I simply going to go back to Noise Removal and Repair. Go ahead, click Noise Reduction, and this time I'm going to click OK. And what that is going to do is check the entire audio, and it's going to use the noise profile to find where the similarities and remove that sound. And that will automatically remove the background noise. Now if I go ahead and play this, it will not be so bad as before. Now if you look at this, guys, you're not seeing again the mumbling in the audio. If you look at it, the mumbling is not there, and that literally remove the background noise. How amazing is that? You might not be able to hear it much as I said, but as you saw from the sound before, that it's not really jumping anymore. That means that it is absolutely clean. Now you can even do a bit more to this, guys. You want to select the audio again, and you want to go back to Effect, and I can come here to Volume and Compression, and I can simply do like a Normalize. And this will basically apply and level my audio to make all of it normalize. If you have section within the audio that it is too loud, you can always highlight that section, and you can simply go back to Effect. You can go to Volume and Compression, and you can do Loudness Normalization. And you can simply highlight that, and you can just click Apply, and it will reduce it. So if it's too high before, you realize now that it's reduced, and that will reduce all of those high pitches within your recording. Now once this is done, you can simply go ahead and you can highlight it again, go back to effects, and you can go back to noise removal and repair, and this time you can click the noise gate. And this is really optional, because once you do the first step that I showed you, how to get the noise profile, and then you want to remove the noise, that's pretty much nice. All you have to do now is just simply do the normalization of the audio and have everything nice and sweet. But to use the noise gate, it's really optional, but you can add it as a fine touch to your audio. Just have a look at these settings, and you want to set your settings to these. For select function, you have set to gate, and stereo linking, you have it to link stereo track. And here you want to have these settings. So gate threshold -40, gate frequency above, you have that set to 0, level reduction -24, attack, you have it set to 10, hold, you have to 50, and decay, you have it to 100. And once you do that, just simply go ahead and click apply, and this will apply the noise gate to your audio. And this will do wonders to your audio. Now once you're finished applying all of these settings, guys, all you want to do, just simply make sure that you have select again, and you can click file, and you can do export audio. All you have to do is just select your location, give the file name if you so want to give it a file name, choose the format that you want. I always select MP3, and then you basically want to choose whatever audio option you want and simply click export. And for me, because I already have the same file name existed, that's why I have that prompt. But I'm going to simply click yes, and it will basically export my new audio without the noise. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video. And if you do, I would really appreciate if you give this video a like, so that I can get some feedback to know that you enjoy content like this. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I would really appreciate if you join the community by subscribing to the channel. It's right below. It is absolutely free, so that you can never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. See you next time, and thank you very much.